Well, if nothing else, at least cleaning is some good exercise, right?
And no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today is a cleaning video day. Okay, I had to get this room together. I have been procrastinating for so long, so I'm like, I've got to get it together today. So I'm going to start with the dresser and then work my way around the room. So I finally got the dresser decluttered, and I'm just going to spray it with some Target brand cleaner. It's the citrus kind. I love it. It's supposed to be very natural, so I use that for everything. And it's an all-purpose cleaner, so you can use it everywhere in the kitchen, in the bathroom, wherever you want. And I just use it to clean the dresser off, just like the little dust particles or whatever the case. But yeah, it took forever, it seemed, to get this dresser decluttered. So I'm just going to wipe the mirror and wipe the dresser and then reorganize all my little lotions and trinkets to get this thing nice and clean. at first I was gonna go with the Christmas theme in my bedroom, but then I thought about it. I really don't want a Christmas theme in the bedroom because it's super small. Like I have the tiniest house ever, probably. I don't know. So I don't really want to do too much in here because it's already like cluttered enough. So I'm just going to keep it cute and simple, and we're just going to do some regular cleaning. Yeah, there will be some Christmas colors here or there, but I'm not sure that it will be a Christmas theme at this point. So yeah, if I do a Christmas theme, I'll do another video. But for right now, we'll just keep it copacetic and clean and neat. How about that? Okay, so first of all, let me say that I am not one who washes the clothes or does the laundry and folds right away. That's just something I don't know. I just can't do no matter what I'm doing. If I'm busy, if I'm not busy, I do not fold the clothes right away. So wherever the clothes land, they usually land and they probably sit there for a good while. So these clothes are totally clean in this chair, and I don't even remember when I washed them, but they're clean and they were sitting there. So I'm going to fold them now and put them away. I don't I usually just wash once a week. So whenever this video is going up, know that they were washed on a Saturday. So I'm gonna just go ahead and clean. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna go ahead and fold these clothes, put them away, and that way it will be clean and neat for the next laundry day. So my makeup table is always cluttered. I do try to keep it clean every so often, but for some reason, like boxes and lashes and whatever else tends to just pile up on there anyway. So I'm just going to declutter my makeup table and try to stay on track with keeping it clean. But as you can see, there are so many things just unorganized on this thing. I have really got to organize this thing, but that is a job for another video. Today we're just gonna clean it off and straighten whatever's there. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do at this point.
I could be who you want, 'cause I know that I need to be happy too. And then things turn to dust when I'd love just to mess up and tell the truth. All I hear is an echo, turn the words that we say to ammo. Sleeping on the side of the bed though, weeks have gone, can't let go. When you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, 'cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name, I go crazy. When you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, 'cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name.
Since being home during this pandemic, I have got to tell the truth. I do not make my bed anymore. Like, what is the point? I'm not even leaving the house. And most of the time, since I've been pregnant, I've actually been laying in the bed. So it always just gets messed over and messed up all over again. Plus, my 3-year-old son, Tyler, always jumps in the bed. All he does is jumps in the bed all day long. So really, the bed is always getting used. But I decided that that will all change today. I am going to make the bed up and put my decorations back on the bed because it is so well missed. So you guys get to see it first here, right on the channel since the pandemic hit. Go ahead, check it out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below because I'd love to see what you guys think of the bed decorations. So Kyler's undies stay here because his potty goes to every room, and I just want to make sure that he is able to snatch his undies and go without any fail if he needs to.
You just see past my lies, can't disguise who I am when I am with you. My armor fell off 'cause your words got me naked, got me naked. All I hear is an echo, turn the words that we say to ammo. Sleeping on the side of the bed though, weeks have gone, can't let go. I go crazy when you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, 'cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name, I go crazy. When you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, 'cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name.
Yay, we finally finished the room. Oh my god, it's been a long time coming. This is just so great, and I just love how neat it came out. I really put forth so much effort to get this thing spick and span and keep my 3-year-old out of there so that he didn't ruin it. So Yes, this is the room, all nice and clean. And the bed is just, it looks so inviting. I just wanted to jump right in and lay down and go to sleep. But yeah, this is the room all cleaned up, nice and neat. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the cleaning video. Also, let me know if you guys use any of the cleaning products that I use. And yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.